Hello everybody, I welcome you all to my today's English video class. Students, today I am back with the another part of your class 10th English textbook First Flight, and that is from chapter 3, 2 stories about flying. Students, as you all know that this chapter is in two parts, and the first part we have already covered. Today we are going to cover the second part, and the title of it is The Black Aeroplane, okay, written by Frederick Forsyth, okay. Students, before we proceed with the chapter, now let's discuss something about the author. Frederick Forsyth is an English author, okay, was born on 25th August 1938. He is an occasional political commentator, but basically is best known for his thrillers such as The Day of Jackal, The Fourth Protocol, The Veteran, The Fist of God, The Dogs of War, and The Afghan and the Cobra, like this, okay. So this was something about the author. Students, now let's move to the introduction part of this chapter. As you can see, the title is The Black Aeroplane. Here in this chapter, The Black Aeroplane is actually a mystery story. In this chapter, the narrator is a pilot who is so much eager to meet with his family, okay, as well as he is dreaming to have the breakfast with them. So he plans a journey from France to England, okay. But what happens? He takes the wrong decision of facing the storm instead of doing the right thing. In what way? We will try to cover up in detail when we will summarize this chapter, okay. Miraculously, what happens with him? He somehow manages to escape with the help of a mysterious aeroplane. Why it is mysterious aeroplane? Where it was? Who was the pilot? We will try to find it out when we will summarize this chapter. Students, before we proceed with the key points, now let's discuss some of the keywords of this chapter. The first word is compass. What is compass? Navigational instrument for finding directions, generally used in ship or plane or an aircraft to find out the directions, okay, you know. Runway, a large road that aircraft use to land on or to start flying from. I'm sure you know this. Radar, what is radar? A system that uses radio waves to find out the position of something you cannot see, okay. Exhausted has different meanings, but here what does it mean? Consume. The other meaning is like to empty, to draw, to drain, but here it is consumed. Exhausted, like the fuel was exhausted. Dumbstruck. What do you mean by dumbstruck? When you are such a condition that you are so shocked to be unable to speak. So students, now let's summarize this chapter through these basic key points. The narrator was flying an old Dakota aeroplane in the midnight, okay. It was near about at 1 o'clock at night. He was flying an old Dakota aeroplane, okay, over Paris towards England, okay. Paris is the capital of France, you know, and he is moving from Paris towards England, okay, and he is thinking of something about his family. He is missing his holidays and he wanted to spend those holidays and have a good time with his family members, and at the same time he wanted to have his early breakfast, the morning breakfast with his family. So he was thinking this all, and at the same time what he did, he decided to call Paris Control, okay. He informed to it that he was on his way back to England. So when he informed the Paris Control, they duly acknowledged this, and he was advised by the Paris Control to turn 12 degrees west, okay. So in this way he was moving and flying ahead. He was around 150 kilometers away from Paris, okay. The Paris was near about of 150 kilometers away, and suddenly he saw black clouds. The black clouds was looking like mountains. He knew that it was very tough for him to go ahead, but what he did, he was not having any other options. He found that the black clouds were approaching near him, okay. He cannot go back as the fuel was not much. So he was not having any other choice to get back. So he continued his path. He found the instruments like compass and other devices had failed. He found that the instruments through which he should find out the directions, that in which direction he is going, that all turned dead, okay. And in this condition, at the same time, something happens miraculously. Suddenly he notices a black aeroplane in front of him, okay. The pilot of the plane instructs him to follow. Here in the plane that was there before him, he has been informed that he should follow that aeroplane, and he had no choice but to follow it, okay. So he had followed that aeroplane. Suddenly he notices a row of light, and it was a runway. After half an hour he had been on his way. He has been flying following that black aeroplane, and after about half an hour the narrator lands safely. Okay, and as he lands safely, what he did, let's find out in the next point. As soon as he lands safely, he goes to control room. Okay, without making any delay, as he lands safely, he rushed towards the control room to ask about the other aeroplane to a woman present over there. Okay, but he was dumbstruck to know. Okay, what do you mean by dumbstruck? Dumbstruck means to be shocked, that when you are not in a condition to speak anything. Okay, he was so shocked to listen and to know that there is no aeroplane noticed on the radar that night. Okay, that night the woman informed. So उस लेडी ने बताया कि उस रात रेडार पर कोई दूसरा एरोप्लेन नोटिस नहीं किया गया. ओके, इस बात ने उसे हैरान कर दिया. Many questions remains unanswered, mysterious and unsolved. ओके, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं जिनके आंसर वो ढूंढ ना सका. Who helps him to arrive there safely? Who was the pilot on the strange black aeroplane, especially on that stormy night, and how he had been helped? So these are all unanswered questions that remain in his mind, and he was answerless, but he couldn't understand. But yes, a question arises, like how this all happened. So this is something mysteriously had happened here in this chapter. Okay, so this is all about in the chapter. Thank you so much. Take care and goodbye.